In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use conversations in Smartsheet to collaborate with your team, leave comments, tag teammates, and keep discussions connected to your work. Start by opening your sheet and hovering over the row where you want to leave a comment. Click the conversation or comment icon that appears next to the row. This will open the Conversations panel on the right side of the screen. In the message box, type your comment, question, or update. Keeping conversations attached to specific rows makes it much easier to track discussions and avoid long email chains. If you need to notify a teammate, type the @ symbol followed by their name. Smartsheet will send them a notification and link them directly to the conversation. You can also attach files such as documents, screenshots, or images to provide additional context. Everything stays connected to the row, making collaboration more organized. At the top of the Conversations panel, you can switch between row, sheet, all, and unread views to quickly find the discussions you need. Once your message is ready, press enter to post it. Team members can reply directly in the thread, keeping all updates and feedback in one place. That's how to use conversations in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.